Bear Mountain and Suites. Located 4.8 kilometers from Dollywood Theme Park. This Pigeon Forge hotel offers pet-friendly rooms with free Wi-Fi and an outdoor pool. Splash Country is 7.4 kilometers away. A flat-screen cable TV, desk, and private bathroom are standard in every room. Some rooms have a microwave and refrigerator, and multi-bedroom suites are available. Copy and fax services are offered to all guests as well as a nearby bike path. Free parking is also provided on site. Children of any age are welcome. Finding an ideal budget-friendly motel in Pigeon Forge does not have to be difficult. During your visit, be sure to check out one of Pigeon Forge's popular dumplings restaurants such as Paula Dean's Family Kitchen, the Old Mill Restaurant, and the Pottery House Cafe. Great Smoky Mountains National Park is 15 minutes drive from Bear Mountain and Suites, while Gatlinburg is 10 kilometers away. Couples particularly like the location. BearMountainandSuites.com